Hi reception, welcome to your second maths lesson. I hope you enjoyed looking at capacity yesterday, looking at how much water your containers held. I wonder which one was the most and which one held the least in your house. Today we're going to be looking at this number. Can you count my fingers? Yeah, we're going to be looking at the number 7, and we're going to be thinking about what two numbers we can add together that make the number 7. Okay, can you remember what that's called? It's really tricky, isn't it? You don't need to remember the name, but they're called number bonds. So to help you work out your number bonds to 7, you can do it in a couple of different ways. You could use the numicon. Remember those ones that we looked at last week? Or you could find 7 of something around your house. And then we need to split them into 2 groups, as many different ways as we can. I've been around my house today and I have found 7 of these. Do you know what they are? That's right, I found 7 1-pennies. But you know what I'm like, sometimes I can miscount. So can you help me check that I have 7 1p's here? I'll tilt the camera down so you can see. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 1-pennies. And if I want to find my number bonds to 7, I need to make 2 groups. At the moment, I only have 1 group, don't I? So do you remember what I can do? I can first of all start by just moving one of them away. Now I have 1, 2 groups. And this is one of my number bonds because I've still got 7 all together. But now I know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, add 1 is 7. So one of my number bonds of 7 is 6, add 1. If I wanted to find another way, I could move another one over here. So I've still got 1, 2 groups, but this time in this group I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over here I have 1, 2. So I've made another number bond of 7. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, add 1, 2. 2 is 7. And I can find another one. That's right, I'm just going to move that one over there. And now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, add 1, 2, 3 is 7. I've still got 7 altogether, but I've got a 4 and a 3. So you could find 7 things around your house and do it like that. Or you could use our numicon. And can you remember what's special about our numicon? That it's a bit like a puzzle, isn't it? So here I've got my 7 numicon pieces. Should we check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when you find a number bond of 7, it fits exactly, perfectly on top of this one, like a piece, like a puzzle piece. So if I wanted to start with 1, I'll pop that on there. And to find the number that goes with 1 to make 7, I just count the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I find my 6-piece unicorn. And look, can you see? That numicon together fits exactly over the 7. So I know that 1 and 6 is 7. Or I could say 6 and 1 is 7. I can find, how many is this? 2, that's right. So if I put that down there, what number would I have to put with 2 to make 7? So I've got those 2, so we count the empty ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I find my 5 numicon and put it on the top. And can you see? It fits exactly on the top. So I now know that 5 and 2 make 7. But I could also say that 2 and 5 makes 7? One last one. Should we try 3? Look at this. If I put my 3 pneumicon on top, how many holes have I got left? Did you say 4? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I find my 4 pneumicon and put it there. And can you see that fits perfectly like a puzzle piece? So now I know that 4 and 3 make 7. And I can also say that 3 and 4 make 7. You can find lots of different ways of making 7 today. Maybe you'd want to go outside, and if there's some ice, maybe you can do it with 7 pieces of ice and see if you can find the number bonds. Or you could go outside and you could find 7 pine cones and find the number bonds. Or if you want to stay warm, maybe find something in your house, or use the pneumicon that we sent through on our resource sheet. I really look forward to seeing how many different ways you can make 7. See you tomorrow.